Hey, let's learn ABC with animals. A for alligator. B for bear. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for giraffe. H for horse. I for iguana. J for jackal. K for kangaroo.
Surprise!
L for lion. M for monkey. N for nightingale. O for ostrich. P for penguin.
Hi!
Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for sparrow. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for vulture. W for whale. X for xeris. Y for york. Z for zebra. Now you know ABC with animals. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.